Let's talk about windows. We have two major types of windows in this region. That is the casement windows and the sliding windows. Well, we have other ones anyway, the projected, the louvers and the rest. Projected windows are actually used for majorly for toilets or when you have high level windows. But now let's just deal with the casement windows and sliding windows. Advantages. Why would I, as an engineer, choose a casement window over a sliding window for you? Number one, or which is a major point, it opens 100%, while the sliding window only opens 50%. So whenever you have, maybe we have the dry season, be sure you don't have full ventilation in your room, and especially when you don't have cross ventilation, that becomes a big issue. Truly, we know the casement window comes more costly than the sliding windows, but you should always consider this little premium you pay this little premium you pay on the casement window pays off on the long run. So I would advise you, as a building engineer, go for casement windows for your buildings. Sliding windows, yes, they might come like 60% of, the cost-wise, they come 60% of the cost of casement windows, but on the long run, who suffers it? Please, projected windows. But if you have a contrary opinion or you're in support of this, comment. Go to my comment section and give some comments as well. Thank you.